All right, so here's your big one. This is your big one. You're going to have one like this on the test, very similar to this. Okay, so this is it. Everything we've been doing the last couple of days. Notice I have percent comp to start with. So I'm going to have to assume something. Going to make those percents grams. Okay, notice it says, number one, so this is an all-inclusive problem. First, find the empirical formula. It's a big one, big problem. Then it says, find the molecular formula. Now, where's the other key at? Where's the other key? Your molar mass, your M&M, is 540.8. Okay? I'm going to have to do this. Pull up my little bunny. There it is. Clear that puppy. All right. Now, so our first step, remember, we're going to go with our first 4 steps. We're going to assume 100 grams. Second step is to convert 2 moles. Third step is to divide by at least number of moles. Fourth step, multiply by a whole number if needed to get our empirical formula. All right? So I'm going to need help here. Each of you will take an element. You're going to have carbon, Jordan. Christian, you're going to have nitrogen, and Zach, you're going to have oxygen. Let's find the empirical formula, just what you did last time. So, Jordan, what's the first thing I need to do? If I assume 100 grams, what's that tell me about the 40% carbon? Use Jordan Messer.
That it's 40 grams.
40 grams of carbon. Okay. All right. Christian? Hydrogen.
6.71 grams.
Okay. And the last person, Zach, what about the oxygen?
53.29 grams.
Okay, it's 53.29. I guess it's on video of it. Clean that up. It's on YouTube and all that junk. All right, 53. Okay, so the first step is convert 2 moles. Review from 10-1, 10-2. Anytime I want to go 2 moles, Grayson, what do I do? Going 2 moles.
Multiply by 1 over the mass.
Okay, or just simply divide by the mass of that thing we got here. All right, so Jordan Messer, this thing we have here, this beast, is carbon. I put 1 mole of C over what?
12 grams of carbon.
Go ahead and calculate that. Christian?
You put 1 mole over 1.
1 mole of H. Okay, so we put 1 mole of H in the top over how many grams?
1.
And then the oxygen, let's do a different color so it's not so crowded here. Who's oxygen? Zach?
1 mole over 16.
1 mole O over 16 grams. Okay. What you got, Jordan?
3.3.
That's mole C. Christian?
6.71.
Moles of H and
3.33.
3.33. Good, 3.3. Now remember, your numbers are not going to always be nice and neat. Why? Because we're dealing with experimental data. Okay? All right, so Skylar, what number do I divide by? Because it's the least number. So that's easy here. That's going to give me 1C. And it's easy here. That's going to give me 1O. This is going to give me approximately 2 H's. Miss Mead, what have we just calculated? I got 1C, I got H2, and an O. What is that formula, Miss Mead? It's you, right, Ashley? What type of formula is that, empirical or molecular? So we did for formula. Empirical, correct. Okay? All right? Now, just a little thing here. If you have CH and O in that combination, H is always in the middle. It's an organic compound. The rest of the time, the element that's further down to the left goes first. All right. So, step 5 now. Okay? Step 5 is to find the EFM. Empirical formula mass. So we've got 1 mole CH2O equals to 1 times the mass of C plus 2 times the mass of H plus 1 times the mass of O. This is step 5. So now we're making a transition from the homework last night, the empirical formula, into the new topic of molecular formulas tonight, okay? And so when we plug this in, we got 1 times 12 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 16. So then that's going to be 12 plus 2 plus 16, which is what? 30? 30 grams. So the EFM here is 30 grams. We're going to go to the next slide. So then step 6 is to say, okay, what is the difference? I'm going to take the M&M, look for my M&Ms, divide by EFM. What is my M&Ms here? What is my M&M in this question? You wrote it down. 540.8. 540.8. Divide by 30. What is our N here?
18.
What?
18.
18. Wow. Games really took us up there. All right, so the molecular formula will equal to the empirical formula multiplying all the subscripts in the empirical formula by 18. So we calculated it as CH2O. So we're multiplying all by 18, which is going to be what? C? 18. H? 36. O? 18. Wow, that is an amazing question that you guys just completed in chemistry. Remember the first day of this class? I said, man, we're going to do all this, and this. Man, you're there. You're there. We're balancing equations. We're finding molecular formulas. We're converting from mass to moles. We're almost finished. Okay? Coco can turn it off.